This video will demonstrate how to add Turnitin to an assignment. Here I have a research paper that I'm expecting my students to write for my class. I clearly outline the purpose, task, and criteria that they are going to be assessed on, and I want to make sure that after they turn this in, I have some way of judging whether they have plagiarized or not. Turnitin is a product that we subscribe to as a college that analyzes works for plagiarism. So we can edit this assignment in Canvas, and we need to make sure that this assignment accepts a file upload. If you don't accept a file upload, you cannot enable Turnitin on your assignment because it's that file that Turnitin will analyze. The minute you click file upload, you'll get an extra area down here that says plagiarism review. You'll pull down and the only choice will be Turnitin originality. That will enable Turnitin on this assignment. If it's your first time using Turnitin, you may be presented with a window that you have to authorize Turnitin to be used with your account. So then you'll see some options. We can exclude from the similarity report the bibliography and quotes so that these don't get accidentally flagged. Or you can say, please analyze them, and I'm good enough to look at it and make sure that the flagging isn't coming from these things. That's up to you. Then you can choose, do you want the papers that students submit to get added to Turnitin's library of submissions so that if the same paper or similar paper is turned in at a later point, it could get flagged. If you index it, it will be added to that source. If you say, nope, I don't want Turnitin to use that to recognize similar style papers at Champlain in the future, you can uncheck it. Students' names and where the source is will never be shown for these types of things. Generate similarity report. You generally want to choose the first option, which is what they recommend. And you can choose what do students see. So we could hide the reports from student. I prefer to leave this as immediately, let the students see because I don't think there's anything wrong with them seeing it. Okay, so now we simply save this and Turnitin is enabled on this assignment. When the students submit, they will need to click a checkbox to authorize Turnitin, and they won't be able to submit the assignment unless they check that checkbox. I will have a separate video where we can look at the results of a student's submission to this particular assignment and we can analyze it for plagiarism.